Installation course of broken bridge aluminum door lock. Check whether the front panel, rear panel, lock body, lock core, key, door card, screws, after opening the box. Install lock body. Put the lock body into the whole door. Fix the upper and lower ends with small screw. Install the lock core. Insert the cylinder into the lock body with the keyhole facing the door. Then tighten and fix with medium flat tail screw. Insert the key into the lock core after installation to test if the cylinder works properly. Next, install front and rear lock panel. Remove the two studs and install the studs in the top and bottom protruding screw positions of the front panel. Remove the rear lock panel and remove the screw on the battery cover. Next, take out the square bar. There is a clamp on the square bar. Insert the square bar into the position of the corresponding shape in the lock body. The clamp is directed outside the door. Remove the front panel of the stud again. Adjust the direction of the handle to the arrow. R means right, L means left. Pass the front panel data line through the door hole. Face the direction hole of the panel handle to the square bar and close the upper panel. Then connect the data line through the panel to the back panel data line and connect the two ends. Put the data plug into the WAV in the entry hole after docking. Then align the handle hole of the rear panel with the square bar and close the rear panel. Now, take out a long screw and install the shorter long screw in the screw hole of the battery box. Install another long screw at the screw hole under the rear panel. Take out for alkaline batteries of number 5. Batteries need to be purchased and prepared in advance. Install the battery in the battery holder. Close the battery cover and fix the cover with a small screw previously removed. Installation of rear door lock with top cover screw has been completed. Finally, test whether the door lock works properly. Thanks for view.